All right. Oh. Hey guys, it's Fishing with Angie. Welcome back. We're here on the Collins River. We are about to put in. Can't really see. It looks blowed out back there. But I'm here with Shannon with Shenanigans Fishing, and we're going to be fishing for smallmouth and muskie, or anything that wants to hop on our hooks. So we are about to put in. We're having a girls fishing trip, and I think we're going to be here just this spot for the next 2 days, and then we've got another spot picked out that we're going to be in fishing. So this is going to be a lot of fun. Without further ado, let's go fishing. All right, what do we got? We got a smallmouth. We got a smallmouth. Woo! Oh, he got off. Smallmouth. Smallmouth. Dang. He wasn't a big one, but he was little. But hey, that's our first fish of the day, guys. All right, got something. It's another smallmouth. All right, let's land this one. Let's land this guy. Yes. Yes. Another smallmouth. Come here, pretty guy. You are gorgeous. You are gorgeous. All right, let's see. How are you hooked? There we go. Smallmouth number 2. Let me get stuck. Oh my goodness. Man, I thought I was going to fly over it, but I did not. Oh my goodness. Woo! Oh my goodness. Golly. I'm stuck again. Shoot.
Over in the rapids.
Oh, they're freaking snails. I thought there was a bunch of sinkers.
It does look like sinkers,
but they're little snails.
They look like sinkers.
Oh, you better start paddling fast. It's pulling you back. Woo! Woo-wee. That was fun.
Yeah, and we didn't die.
We did not die.
I consider that a success.
Yes. Okay. So, we've fished, I don't know, I guess about a mile down. We're pretty slow. We're just kind of chill, floating and fishing. So we might go further tomorrow, but right now we're gonna. Yeah, it's 4:20. I think it's dark around 6:30 here. Is this Central Time Zone?
Yep.
Central Time Zone. So we're gonna fish our way back up to the boat ramp. We might hit a park that we've seen. It has a dam. That looked really cool. Grab us a bite to eat that we've already packed. We have sandwiches packed. Oh, you gotta go. You gotta go, Shannon. Paddle. Paddle harder. I hear Banjos. Go, Shannon, go. Let's look at Shannon. There she is. She's a-coming.
I will win!
Woo-hoo!
Hallelujah!
That's what I'm saying. You had to go.
this in my pocket.
Yep, I definitely wish y'all luck.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's good to meet you.
All right, this is day number 2. We are on the Collins River, different spot, because yesterday was not great. We got a flow going to our right. We're heading up to the bend. Here we go. I see a cool feather, so I'm gonna get it. See that feather? That is a cool looking feather. We're gonna grab that feather. Oh, am I hung? But look at this feather we got. That is cool. I'm not sure what bird that's from, but that's a nice feather. It's the little things in life. I've only got like a 4-pound. Oh, he got off. God dang. God. Ooh. Jeez. Man. Alright. Oh.
So that one's water.
Well, I already hooked one up and it was a monster back there on the crawl. I fought him and I never got to see him, but I'm pretty sure it was a smallmouth. I fought him for maybe a minute and then he got off. I think it's this rod is so lightweight and I had too much drag because he was just peeling drag. All right, so Shannon just got one on a beetle spin, a smallmouth. So I am changing to a rooster tail. See if we can get anything on this one. Really would like to find, yeah, I'm gonna have to change this thing. This is not working out. I'm trying to find some deep water because really I wanted to catch some muskies, or at least one muskie would be great. Y'all, right about now I'm feeling pretty crappy because I had 2 fish and I missed both of them because I was worried about turning on my GoPro. I gotta get more batteries or something because this really stinks. Oh, I got a good one. All right, here we go. Here we go. What do we have? What's on the line? Oh, it's big. What is that? Oh, holy, it's a muskie. It's a fucking muskie. Oh! I got it. Please don't run away, muskie. Please. Please, God. Please, God. Please, God. Please, God. Please, God. No! Come back here. Oh my God. Please, God, help me land this. Oh my God. Please, 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 please. It's messed up. No, come here, baby. Woo! Musky! I got a muskie! Woo! Look at him. Oh, shit. Okay, let's put him back in the water.
Scale and there's a fucking fish right there. I'm glad it's not a muskie. All right.
Can you take a picture of my phone?
Yeah, I wanted to get in my boat so he doesn't eat me. Because he's probably pretty pissed off.
He's breathing, so he's good.
Yeah, he just needs a minute.
Wow.
That's awesome.
You should have seen him jumping out of the water.
There he goes. It's loose. Go away, buddy. Oh yeah, he's waving. He's waving at us.
There he goes.
There he goes. See? There he is.
My first muskie! Woo! And I was feeling so freaking bad because I was like, I can't land a dang fish.
Look at that.
I got a freaking muskie. Yes!
Are you happy?
Woo! On a rooster tail.
Oh,
On a rooster tail.
wins again.
And a 4-pound line.
On a Goodwill 5-foot 2-inch pole.
On a Goodwill ultralight 5-foot pole, 4-pound line, little rooster tail.
Shakespeare pole for the win.
My gosh, he's still hanging out here. Let's see if we can get him underwater. Day 4 on the river. I'm starting out with this crawl on some braid. Be awesome if we can get a muskie. We're going to pray that Shannon gets a muskie today, but we're going to start out and try to get some smallmouth. I would love to catch a decent one. Shannon caught a huge one yesterday, so now it's our turn to get a smallmouth, and it's Shannon's turn to get a muskie today. Let's go. Eating some potato salad for lunch. I'm already hungry. All right, we got something. Got a smallmouth. Sweet. All right. Yep. Smallmouth. There we go. Nice little smallmouth. And he's gone. Hey guys, so I had to refilm my outro because during this whole trip I was actually using a really old phone because I had busted my phone a week prior when I was fishing with Shannon and Skipjack Cindy. So I was using this really crappy old phone, and it did, I guess, okay B footage, or B-roll, but when it comes to filming my ending, it just looked bad and it really wouldn't fit on the video very well, so I'm recording now. Anyway, the goal was to us have a really good time, just us girls, and to catch at least one muskie. It didn't matter who caught it, we just wanted to get a muskie in, and we got one. Shannon caught a really large smallmouth, and that was awesome. So we had a blast. We met our goals, and we couldn't have had a better time. So anyway, I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll catch y'all next time.